welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Atoy. Yes, I'm back again with a new video. I know I haven't posted like 1 or 2 videos maybe at a time. It's because things were changing in my life, you know. Yes, your girl was like on that. So guys, I'm so happy to be tuning back with you guys and be talking to you guys about skincare, because things has been changing and it's only changing for the good. So if you like my videos and my content, people, don't forget to subscribe right down here below, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below in the comment section. I'm feeling so hyped because the sun is shining, the weather is so nice, and I cannot wait to show off all my melanin. I've been trying to like get my skin to the even tone, you know, I want skin to be darker.
Because the darker just, you know,
oh, the darker, something like that, that goes. Anyway, but let's get straight into this video. In today's video, we will be talking about serums and when you need serums, how much they cost, and all the everything about the serum. If you like it, stay tuned and keep on watching. First thing is, what is a serum? Serum is actually a highly concentrated substance for your skin. What targets actually the problem on your skin, if you know what I'm talking about. So that is what serums are there for, and it's like another level of upgrade to your skincare. And a lot of people don't know that, but if you want to upgrade on your skincare routine, you need to add a serum in it. You know, you need to add a serum. And the next thing is when to use the serum. It really depends on what type of serum you're using. For example, what I would recommend everybody is after you cleanse, you tone, and then you use your serum. Before you use your night cream, your hydrator, your moisturizer, or anything else, that is exactly when you actually put on your serum for your face. Like for me, example, I suffer from hyperpigmentation and discoloration on my skin. So after I tone, then I put on my serum on my face. So, and let's get into it. It have very variations of serums, and a lot of people ask me why they are so expensive, because like I come mostly in 30 milliliters or 50 milliliters. It depends on, so the more milliliters inside, obviously the more expensive they are. I'll show you guys some of my favorite serums, and one of the serum what I tend to use day and night because it's just more portable for me, and I find it works perfect for both day and night. Let's get straight in it. You guys remember I was telling you guys about the Ordinary. I will do an upcoming video about the Ordinary because this brand is very good. This right here I tend not to use anymore, this serum right here. And so this is the hyaluronic acid one inside. Maybe it's changed colors, so this is like how the substance really looked like. I used to be using this a good while, but on the long run, like we see people who like now starting off to use serums and started to actually know their skin more better, I would recommend you the brand The Ordinary because they are really good. This right here, oh, focus baby, focus. Let me just put this right here. So this is this right here, and it's really good. I would recommend people this with the hyaluronic acid, but I usually use this here in wintertime so that the moisture stays in my skin. A lot of people know I have oily skin, but in wintertime I tend to have dry skin. And the next serum right here is actually niacinamide, 10% plus 1% zinc inside. This bad boy right here I use also a long time. This is my new bottle what I have, and this is a little bit more watery. More for all the serums are water based. So this is how it look like that. And the Ordinary, I would say this is the bomb. Everybody knows zinc, 1% zinc, inflammation on the skin and everything else. This is very good. So I would recommend people who suffer from hyperpigmentation and blemishes and discoloration on their face, this product right here, I would recommend you guys use it actually after your toner, and let your skin suck up that serum, and you will see how your skin will look. It will be looking bum as hell. So the next serum what I find, like, it's also for your face, but I would not, I'm telling you guys, I will also do a video about this products that you don't need, what are like overpriced and you really you don't need it at all. So one of those is like this eye serum from DAYTOX. I wonder, this right here, I use this like for 6 months, and I said, you know what, you don't need an eye serum. It's actually nearly empty, as you can see, and I would not finish use it because 6 months, maybe for some people it maybe works wonders, but for me, all I got from this was nothing. It was just like not even self hydration or anything or whatsoever. I also tested out when I went to a party, if I could, you know, look fresh again in the morning, but this serum was not doing it for me, this serum right here. So, and the next two serums, I would say, yeah, their serum is from Drunk Elephant. I would highly recommend these two products here for traveling. This right here, these two, I did show you guys about these products right here. The Serum Day Serum, I'm going to tell you guys again, it's with Pumpkin Feminine, and this is the Be Hydra Intense Hydration Serum, the pineapple something like. So this, oh my god, but these serums are so perfect when you're traveling, and it depends on how long you are traveling. These are 10 milliliters, oh sorry, 8 milliliters, but a little bit goes a long way. I would recommend all these products will be down listed in the description box, so you guys can actually click on it, and because I know some friends were telling me like, oh, we don't see the products we're using. There you have a description box, people. Don't forget, click right down here below in the description box to see everything what has been going on. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, I don't know what you're waiting on. If you have reached this way so far, then you know what's going on. So the last is the best, of course. It's the Inkly List. Oh, it's a little bit dirty. Sorry. It's the Inkly List Day and Night Serum, and this is so perfect. I love this product so much. So recommended me this. It's 50% vitamin C and EGF inside it. It helps intensely brightens, and through my skin has looking magnificent. If you check out my video before this on how to get your summer body glow in 2020 with the quarantine check, then check this out, because your serums is gonna help you get through all this pollution and all this fighting this virus thing going on. It will help you as well with your skincare routine. So, but why I choose the Inkly List to be the best is because I can use it day and night, and it's lightweight. It works perfectly on my skin, and yes, I did use some this morning already, but I'm going to just show you guys how this product is. You can actually see water-based, and it hydrates. I find like it hydrates my skin. If you can actually see, I find it like really hydrates my skin, give my skin this even out tone. And I notice my hyperpigmentation, they are slowly fading. You can actually see I have still 1 or 2 spots right here, but I must come with it. Yes, I do have a makeup, but even so, though through my makeup you could see my hyperpigmentation. But I find with this serum, I've been using this a good 2 months. I find it's just working wonders for me. I would recommend it, and that is my product reviews on serums. So the next thing about serums is, can you layer your serums? You could, but it depends on how you're layering it. For example, I would not put on like a serum and then put on another one for another problem area on your face. I would actually split it up, you know, like use one for day and one for night. The Inkly List, if you just want to use one product and not having too much products, because I am actually trying to reduce a lot on my skincare product, the simple is the best. So this is what I'm trying to do, and I find this works very good because it's a day and night serum and it works perfectly. Not saying that the other serums I don't use. For example, I could travel with this as well. This is 30 milliliters, but to see how big it is, I'll be honest with you guys, you see how big this is, I would not like fit this inside. I rather go with my travel kit, these two right here, when I'm on the plane or when I'm vacation, then I would use it. Of course I could put it in my suitcase. It's just about saving space. So now I would recommend you guys with layering serums, that for sure. The next thing, what a lot of people ask me about serum is, can you put it underneath your makeup? Yes, of course you could put it on your makeup. Like I said, it depends on, I would say all my foundations, it works perfectly with it as well. You know, some products do not combine very well with skincare products, so you have to try it out, test it out yourself, how it works for you and how it works best. So that is all my questions, all my answers to serums. How to use it, when to use it, when to buy it, how much serums really cost. They are a little bit expensive, but like I said, if you're now starting off with serums, start off please with the ordinary, because they are priced in a very, very good range and are very, very amazing. So you guys, if you like my video and my content, don't forget to subscribe right down here below. Give this video a thumbs up and stay safe and kiss you guys and enjoy the summer. Here, the summer is coming back. Enjoy it. I love you guys. Stay tuned for more. Mwah.